cm balloon squad. Please welcome in clown action.
Start off by pumping a violet balloon. Do 2 3-centimeter bubbles. Do a pinch twist. An 8-centimeter bubble. Another pinch twist. And 2 3-centimeter bubbles. Now add 1 8-centimeter bubble on top. And another 8-centimeter bubble at the bottom. This forms the head. To create the eye mask, pump up a black twisty balloon and form an 8-centimeter bubble. Tie the ends on the 2 ears that you've just made. Now pump up a blush balloon and use an 8-centimeter bubble to form the face.
Ready?
Now pump up a violet twisty balloon and a yellow twisty balloon. Tie the yellow twisty balloon onto one of the ears. And the violet twisty balloon onto the other ear. You'll use this to make the body. Here comes the tricky part. Start by squeezing the air out of these 2 balloons and twist it at the bottom of the head. Using the violet balloon, form 2 6-centimeter bubbles. Now to do the similar thing, squeeze out the air of the violet and the yellow twisty balloon and tie them at the bottom of the torso. Using the yellow balloon, form 4 pinch twists to form the belt. Now pop the balloon and tie a knot. Using the remaining violet balloon, form a 7 cm bubble one pinch twist, one loop twist. Add a 2 cm spacer in between. Another pinch twist. Another loop twist. Then add another 7 cm bubble to form the legs. Once that's done, you can cut it off and save the remaining for the arms. For the remaining bit, first tie a knot. This will be a 14 cm bubble that will be used to form the arms. Twist the balloon and split it into 2 7 cm bubbles. Slide it under the head to form the 2 arms. Using a white paint marker, start by drawing the eye shape. Then give it some eyelashes too. Use a blank marker to draw the nose and the mouth. Don't forget to add the logo on the belt. Using a light pink marker, give her some blush. Using a dark pink marker, give her some lipstick. Once the white paint is dry, bring back the black marker. Start by drawing the details of the eyes. Don't forget to fill it out with a dark pink color as well. Now you're all done!
Well, I'm a Balloon Batgirl. I think I should put it next to Robin. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.